this question, I am not going to discuss all home assignment questions. I will discuss which questions you feel more difficult and important question. I am going to discuss those questions. Divide 3600 among A, B, C, D. So I have 4 members. That will be, I am going to distribute 3600. How I am distributed? So first statement, A plus B is thrice of C plus D. The ratio between A plus B and CA plus D will be 3:1. And also they are given B is to C ratio will be 4:1. Also C is to D ratio will be 1:2. C is to D ratio 1:2 times, which means 3/2. C will be 3, D will be 2. Who is the common person? C. Then that number should be constant. Then 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, then 3 1s are 3 2s are. The ratio between B is to C is to D will be 12:3:2. According to this, C plus D will be 1. But according to this ratio, C plus D will be 5. It means one part is equal to 5. If one part is equal to 5, 3 parts is equal to 15. Which means A plus B is equal to 15. We already know B value will be 12. Then A value will be 3. A value will be 3. Because out of 15, A plus B value is 15. B value will be 12. Then A value will be 3. Then total all 4 members ratio I will get to know now. That will be 15 plus 5, 20 parts is equal to 3600. Then one part is equal to 180. I need to find, anyway, 2 parts I need to find out, because the D amount I need to find out. Then your answer will be 360. Next question. Rupees 4000 has to be distributed among A, B and C in such a manner that 150 from A's money, 160 from B's money, 90 from C's money are reduced. Then the remaining amount becomes in the ratio 4:3:2. Find out how much money A got. That I need to find out. Reduced. Fine. So initially 4000 rupee I am distributed. Initially I am distributed between 4 members 4000 rupee. But out of 4000 rupee, I will take from A 150 rupee. I will take from B 160 rupee. I will take from C 90 rupee. Which means total 300-400 rupee I will take. Out of 4400 rupee reduced means remaining 3600 rupee. Then that is in the ratio 4:3:2. That will be 9 parts. 9 parts is equal to 3600. 1 part is equal to 400. Then 4 parts is equal to 1600. A have now 1600 after taking 150. Which means A had initially 1750. A had initially 1750. So this is important question. If you see this question, rupees 600 are divided among A, B, C, so that 40 from A's money, 40 more than 2/5 of A's money, 20 more than 2/7 of B's money, and 10 more than 9/17 of C's money. Then it is equal. Then A share is. I need to find out A share. First I will try to find out answer using logic way. Then I will do basic method. Here we have to solve by using option method. I will try, because if I do this basic method it will take time. If I take, it is a A share initially 180. I am assuming this is my option. I am verifying the conditions. If it is 180, 40 means I will 180. So 40 extra plus 40% of 180, 72. 40 plus 72, 112. Then B also have 112. C also have 112, because everyone equal. Now reverse order I have to check, because if I add all three it should be equal to 600. Let's check. Now we know this number will be 180. I will verify. 7 by 2, that will be 66 into 7, because it is two parts. First we have to do reduce, sorry, we have to reduce. How I am doing first, okay, how I am doing in exam way I will explain. First 9, this is important. Instead of checking this 2 a k anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Anyway, this I am assuming 180. 180 only 40 extra plus 40% of 180, 72, 112, 112, 112. Now I will check this. 112 minus 10, that will be 102. 102 is not 9 multiple, so it is not my answer. I will tell how I am checking later. Next 160 I will take. Instead of this number I will take now 160. So 160, if I take this 40 percentage of 160, because 2 by 5 means 40 percentage of 160, that will be 64, 104. If it is 104, here also 104, because everyone is equal now. 104 minus 10, 104 minus 10 will be 94. 94 is not 9 multiple, so it is not my answer. Now I will check 150 also. 150, if it is 150, here 40 plus 40% means 100. 40 percentage of 150 will be 60. Here 100, here 100, here 100. Here 10 minus means 90, it is 9 multiple. Yes, it is a maybe chances. Let's check now where everyone. It is 90. 2 parts is equal to 90. 1 part is equal to 45 into 7. 45 into 7. 7 4s are 28 plus 35. That will be 315. That will be 315. Then here 100 minus 20 means 80. 40 into 7, because divided by 2, that will be 40. 40 into 7, 280. 320 it is. Not, sorry, not 315. Just sorry, wait it. Because it is 90 means here 9 by 17. I thought it is okay. It is 9 by 17. 17 means 170. It will be 9 parts is equal to 90. I will explain, don't worry. 17 parts is equal to 170. Then 150, 280, 170. Here if I give this 300 plus 300, 600. Yes, it is my answer. Now I will explain concept, basics and this. First let's do it in basics. I am assuming first person A rupee I will give, second person B rupee I will give, basic method. Third person C rupee I will give, all together 600 rupee. Now again the second condition, 40 more than 2 by 5 of A's money. 40 more than means 40 more means plus 2 by 5 of A's money means first person money will be A. Then 20 more than 2 by 7 of B's money. Then 10 more than 9 by 17 of C's money. If I do this, everyone have equal. I am assuming everyone have K rupee. Then this is equal, this is equal. Now I can write this equation like this. K minus 40, K minus 40 means this is equal to K. K, that I can write it 5 by 2 of like this. See, I will show you. First I will show you this. One equation I will write it. 40 plus 2 by 5A is equal to K. Is equal to K. Now I want A. I want A. Now I can write it K minus 40 5 by 2. Yes or no? Say now, I will repeat. Here I have full one statement, I will write it. A I want, because this number I want. Then what you will write equation? This 40 you will shift like this. K minus 40. A I want, then this number I will write it 5 by 2. Then if you solve this equation, a is equal to 5k 5k by 2, 5k by 2 or 5 by 2k minus 200 by 200. That will be a value. That will be a value. 5 by 2k minus 100. Same thing I can write it b. What I can write it? I want b means k minus 20, k minus 20, 7 by 2b, 7 by 2b. Now I can write it, this equation, 7 by 2k minus 140 by 2 will be 70. It is b. Like that, c also I can write it. What I can write it? K minus 10 divided by 17 by 9c, which means c is equal to, not this, c is equal to, which means now 17k by 9 minus 170 by 9, 170 by 9. Now k value, it is a value, it is a b value, it is a c value, we have to add. Now k one side you can write it like this, 5k by 2, step by step I am explaining. 7k by 2 plus 17k by 9, again minus 100 minus 70 minus 170 by 9, it is equal to 600. How much that the value they are given? 600. See, this is a much we have to do it calculation, but I will tell you second method, the best method. Now if I solve this equation, 18 is the LCM. 18 LCM means it will be 9 5s are 45. Here I can take it common, plus here 9 7s are 63. Here 34. K is a common now. Minus 100 minus 170, minus 170 minus 170 by 9 is equal to 600. Let's solve here only calculation. 17 nines are 153, 1530 minus 170 will be minus 1700 divided by 9. This is as it is equal to 600, is equal to 600. Now if I add this number, 45 63 34, add this number. If I add this number, it will be 100 plus 34 plus 3 7 12, 142k, 142k by 18, by 18, by 18. So again, this you can calculate. If you shift this number this side, 142k divided by 18 is equal to, if I shift 600 plus 1700 divided by 9, 9 6 are 5400 plus 1700. Here you can write it, 5400 plus 1700, 7100 divided by 9, 142k divided by 18. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 71 ones are 71 twos are 2 get cancelled, k is equal to 100. Now I want to find out what's the final question I need to find out. What is the final question? If you see that question, a amount, I need to find out a amount. A amount will be this. Then 100 minus 40, 60 into 5 by 2. 2 ones are 2 30s are 30 into 5 150. See, this much calculation we will do in exam. This is the basic method. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮಾಡೋ ಮೆಥಡ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ. It is the basic method. See, this much calculation we have to do it. Instead of doing like this in exam way, logic is important. See now, this question how to solve in exam point of view. In exam point of view, this I will keep like this only. See now, here I will write it. The data what we have, I am distributed some amount. How much amount means 600 amount. Again, if I give 6, after that I will give 40 rupee to A plus 2 by 5 of A. 2 by 5 of A. Already A I will give, for example, some amount. For that 2 by 5 means 40% of this amount. 40% of that amount. Like that, same thing B, same thing C. How much you give? 40%, 40 rupee you will give. 40 ರೂಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ 40% or 2 by 5 of this amount, A amount. Here also same thing. Here also same thing. Here also same thing. Here I will write like this. 2 by 5 of this amount plus 40 rupee. Then A hatra some amount barutte. Like that. B ಗೆ 2 by 7 of B amount and 20 rupee extra. ಆಮೇಲೆ B ಹತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Like that. C ಗೆ 9 by 17 of some amount of this amount, then 10 rupee, then this amount ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ number equal in the question that they are given. Now I will take options one by one. I will check it. If I take first option is my answer, if I assume 180. ಇದನ್ನ 180 ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ 40. 180 is this number. Okay, first I will find out this number. Okay, 180 40% ಅಂದರೆ 72 ರೂಪಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 40 112. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 112, here also 112, here also 112. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮೇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಸಿ ಈ 112 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ 112 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ 112, ಹೀಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ 10 ರೂಪಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ 9 by 17 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 9 by 17. ಅಗೈನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ 9 by 17. ಟೂ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಒಂದು 10 ರೂಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಐ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ 10 ರೂಪಿ, ಆಲ್ಸೋ 9 by 17 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್? 17 ರೂಪಿ ಇನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ 9 ರೂಪಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ 17 ರೂಪಿ ಇನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ 9 ರೂಪಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂ. ಆಲ್ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ 112 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು 102 ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. 9 by 17 ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಗೆ 102 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್? 102 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? 102 is not 9 multiple. Then this is not my answer. That is not my answer. 180 is not my answer. Like that I can verification even one more 160 also I will show you. 160 also I will show you. 160 also I will show you. So 160 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ 160 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ 150 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 160 ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 by 5 ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ 40% ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 64 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 40 104. ಇದು 104 ಆದರೆ ಇದು 104, ಇದು 104 ಆದರೆ ಇದು 104. 104 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 94. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್? ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 150. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 150, if I assume this is 150, 40% of 150 or 2 by 5 of 150, total 60 rupee plus extra 40 rupee 100 rupee A ಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು if A have 100 rupee, everyone have 100 rupee only. Now I will check. ಇವನಿಗೆ 10 ರೂಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ 10 ರೂಪಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 90. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್? ಎಸ್. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್? ಎಸ್ 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್. ಈಗ ಫುಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 9 parts is equal to 90 ಆದರೆ 17 parts is equal to 170. ಇದು 100 ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು 80. 2 parts 80 ಆದರೆ 1 part 40, 7 parts is equal to 280. ನಾವು 150 plus 280 170, 20 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 300 plus 300 600. ಎಸ್, ಮೈ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ that question. I hope everyone understand. If you understand, please do comment everyone which method you understand and which method you feel best in exam point of view, first or second method. And if you understand everyone, you should do comment in below. Okay, fine. Second question will do. Next question. The number of eggs in 3 baskets are in the ratio 4:5:6. I have 3 baskets. In first basket 4, second basket 5, third basket 6. In which ratio number of eggs in first 2 buckets must be increased so that the new ratio becomes only first 2 are increased? In which ratio it is increased? That's the question here. Then basket ratio will be 6:5:4. Here only it is increased in the question they are given. Then third bucket will be constant. Third basket will be constant. This is no change. I want this number constant. So how to make it constant means LCM. LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. So this complete equation I have to multiply it by 2. This complete equation I have to multiply it by 3. Then it will be 8. It will be 10. It will be 18. It will be 15. 8 becomes 18 means 10 eggs increased. 10 becomes 15 means 5 eggs increased. Then ratio will be 2:1. That will be your answer. Next question. In a party hall, there are people in black, green dresses. Fine. Black, green dresses. The ratio of the number of women in black to the men in green. Women in black and men in green is 3:2. And the ratio of the number of men in black to the number of women in green 3:5. If the ratio of the number of people in black to the number of people in green 21:23, then what is the ratio of the number of men to the number of women in the party hall? Very difficult question actually, but if you use concept, let's verify. Whenever I will get ratio questions, I will check options. Final question, they are asking number of men and number of women. Tell me one thing, all men's either they may wear black or what are the colors we have, black or green dress. Even women also, some men's are wear black, some men's are wear green. Totally black and blue ratio will be 21:20 means total number will be 44. I will check total person. 16 plus 17 not 44 or 44 multiple. It is not 44 multiple. 17 plus 17, yes, 27. 30 plus 14, it is a possible. 17 plus 18 is a not possible. So your answer will be 17:27 is a possible answer. Like that I can verify. I hope everyone shocked, right? So this is the way we have to see in exam. See this question, if I solve in basic method, it's very difficult. If you want, you can see this. See the question they are given like this. I'm assuming total initially black and green dresses I have. Totally black we have, just I will write it same color. So black color I have and green color I have. In black color some males are there, some females are there. Even in green color also we have some males, some females. Males I will write in red color, females I will write in another color. Let's do it. Now first statement, the ratio of the number of women in black, number of men in green is 3:2, 3x and 2x. It will be 3x, sorry, women, that is women. Oh, here I'll write it. It is men, it is women, it is men, it is women. The first statement they are given, women in black, that will be 3x. Women in black will be 3x and men in green will be 2x. Fine, that is a 3x and 2x ratio. and next number they are given men in black to women in green. Men in black will be 3x, men in black will be 3x, sorry 3y, not 3x, because another ratio it is, right? 3y, men in black will be 3y, men in green will be, women in green will be 5y. Now this is a total number of colors, men and green, total number of colors wearing. So total black color ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ, green color ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So black color will be 3x plus 3y, it is equal to black color. Then green color will be 2x plus 2y. Total black color will be 21 by total color will be 23, 21 and 23. This is the equation. Now first equation, can I take 3 common? Yes, I can take it. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 sevens are. Now x plus y is equal to 7. I can make it x constant to solve linear equation. Then it will be 2y, sorry 2x, 2x get cancelled. 2x, I want to make it constant. Here you have like this. I will write one more equation. I will write it one more time for understanding. X plus y is equal to 7. 2x plus 2y is equal to 23. I can make it x constant or y constant. 3 sevens are 21. You can solve it. This is the one way. If you solve this equation, x and y value you will get. Very simple, right? You can solve it. This equation if you solve, you will get x answer and y answer easily. Otherwise you can cross multiplication also. You can do cross multiplication also. 3x and that equation 3x plus 2y, that equation cross multiplication, same linear equation or cross multiplication you can do it. You can do like this also. 3x plus 3y divided by 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 5y, sorry I am writing here wrong, 5y it is, sorry 2x plus 5y is equal to, you can write it 21, 23. So you can do it now directly. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 sevens are 7 into 2 14x, 7 5s are 35y, 23x plus 23y. Now xx one side, yy one side. 14x ikkade bandaga it will be 6 plus 3 9x. If it come this side, 7 plus 5 12y. Then x by y is equal to 12 by 9. 3 4s are 3 3s are 4 is to 3 is the ratio. X is to y. Now you have to find out number of males and number of females. I have to find out what is the ratio of the number of men to the number of women. Men you can find out 2x plus 3y. 2 into 4 8, 2 into 4 8 plus 3 into 3 9, 8 plus 9 17. Like that. Women, x value will be 4, 4 into 3 12, 5 into 3 15, 12 plus 15 27. Your answer will be 17 is to 27. Instead of doing this much, you can tell your answer will be 44 ಅದರ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಲರ್, 2 ಕಲರ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಜನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2 ಕಲರ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ 21 23 ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಬಟ್ಟೆ, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 44. ಅವೆರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 44 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. I hope everyone understand. If you like first method, please do comment and like. Next, ಈ question ನೋಡಿ. A's income is 275 more than B's income and C income is 185 more than D's income. If the ratio of A and C income is 2 is to 3 and B and D income is 1 is to 2, the difference between A and D. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿ ಏನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, The ratio they are given A and A and C, 2x and 3. A's income is 275 more than B, then B income I can write it. A's income 2x minus 275 is a B income. Also, C and D 185 more than D, D income I can write it. That will be 3x minus 185. And I know now B and D ratio will be 1:2. Now I can do this is equal to 1 by 2 easily. Now I want A and D. Let's solve it first. X value, if I know that, I can do it this. 2 into 2, 4x minus 550 is equal to 3x minus 185. If we do this, 1x is equal to 15 plus 350, 375. X is equal to 375. I know A income will be 2x. That will be 750. If it is now B and D ratio, I know 1:2. Then D also I want. Let's find out B first. 750 minus 275 is the B income. How much it will be? 25 and 450. 450. So how to do it? 750, 375 and the 2x and the 750. 750 minus 275. If I do that, 275 and the 300 base ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. 25 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, 450 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. 450 plus 25, 475. 475 ಗೆ double of that number. Okay, that double of that number. Otherwise B find out ಮಾಡಿ D ನ find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ D directly you can find out. X ನ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 into 375 substitute also you can do it. If we do that, 3 into 375 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1125 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus 185 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 940 approximately ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 940. Then 750 940 difference will be 180. That will be your answer easily. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? I'll repeat one more time. I'll repeat. Easy, then not so difficult. It's easy question. You can do this easily. See this. I will do this once again. 180 is the right. Here I will show you one more time. If you do this, ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? A income 2x. But A income is 275 more than B. ಆಗ B ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾನು? B's income is 275 less than A income ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. A income is 2x minus 275. Like that same thing D. That ratio B and D ratio I know 1:2. Then I can do comparison. That is 4x minus 550. Correct? 4x minus 550 is equal to 3x minus 185. After this step, 4x and 3x difference will be x. 550 185 subtraction, that will be 15 plus 350, 365. 365. Okay, avagli 375 bardangiddini. That's maybe wrong. That yes, that's the wrong previously. That's why you're getting confused. No problem. That 365. My int calculation I am doing that 365 only, but writing I am doing that 365. If it is 365, 2x value will be 730. 2x value will be 730. Means A's income will be 730. I want to find out final question D. D we know B double anta. First find out B, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ double ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. B value will be 730 minus 275. That will be 25 plus 430, 465. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? 455. 455 double, because D is double. That will be 910. That will be 910. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ difference 70 plus 10, 80, 100. 180 is the answer. So your answer will be 180. I hope it is clear. Next question. A and B are in the ratio 1 by 2, 2 by 3. Okay. A is to B ratio, right? Because ratio always we need integer number. That will be 3 by 2. 1 by 2 means that will be 8 by 3. 2 by 3 means converts to mixed fraction to improper fraction. Then 9 is to 16 is a is to B cross multiplication, and B 15 is added, so I'm added here also 15, here also 15. Then ratio becomes 1 2 by 3 and 2 1 by 2. That will be 5 by 3, that will be 5 by 2. Then 5 get cancelled, ratio will be 2 is to 3. Ratio will be 2 is to 3. We know according to ratio one property, ratio changes both the sides same number, the difference should be constant. Here difference is 1, but here difference is 7. Then it will be 7 2s are 14, here 7 3s are 21. 9 in that 14 agide andre I'm added 6. 9 plus 6, sorry, 5. 9 plus 5 14. 16 in the 21 agide andre I'm added 5. Both the sides I'm added 5, but according to question 15. One part is equal to 3. I need to find out original value of A and B. That will be 3 9s are 27, 16 3s are 48. So your answer will be 27 is to 48. That will be your answer. Because I can't check starting only. I can starting only 9 multiple and helbodayitu, but all options are 9 multiple allite. Eradu options. And 16 multiples allu ide. So that's why I can't able to tell answer here. Otherwise I could have expect. I mean option B or C I can tell, because both are. Yes, I can eliminate actually this, because it is not 9 multiple. It is not 9 multiple. Where answer helbodagitu. I observe this, I didn't observe. Yes, I can eliminate because it is not 16 multiple. No need to do all this process. You can able to tell directly 9 and 16 multiples allide anta you can tell, no problem. Just you can see that. Next, the ratio of the number of boys and girls in a school was 5 is to 3. Some new boys and girls are admitted to the school in the ratio 5 is to 7. At this, the total number of students in the school becomes 1200, and the ratio of the boys to girls changed to 7 is to 5. The number of students in the school before the new admission. 5 plus 3 8. 8 multiple, maybe this, either this. Check madana yaudu anta. Let's take it 720 total initially. That is 8 parts is equal to 720. 1 part is equal to 9. 9 5s are 450. 9 3s are 270. 990. This 9 8s are 8 3s are right. 720 I am distributed. Say now I'm assuming my answer. Basic method will tell first this. 720 I am assuming my answer, because in 5 is to 3 is the ratio initially student ratio. That ratio will be 5 is to 3. 8 parts is equal to 720. 1 part is equal to 90. Then it will be 450. It will be 9 3s are 270. Now some boys and girls are admitted to the school in the ratio 5 is to 7. So this is 5x boys are added. It is 7x girls are added. Then it becomes 1200 in the ratio 7 is to 5. Now total population is 1200 means 700 and 500. 500. Then how many girls are added? It will be 250. Then it will be 270 means it will be approximately 1030. Is it 5 is to 7 multiple ratio? No, it is not my answer. Then I can tell 960. If you want 960 also I will show you. See, this is not my answer. I will check 960 if you want, but example ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, because ಎರಡು optional on the option. 960 initially I am assuming that ratio will be 5 is to 3. That will be 8. 8 parts is equal to 960. 1 part is equal to 120. 9 12s are 96. 12 9s 12 8s are. Then 12 means 120 means 600. 360. Now I added 5 is to 7 ratio. Now 1200 means 700 and 500. So your ratio will be 100 members I am added. Here it will be 140 I am added. That ratio will be 5 is to 7. Yes, here also I will get 5 is to 7 same. So your assumption is 960 is right. So like this also we can check. But if I do basic method, basic method, you have to go reverse order like this. Initially 700, finally 700 males. In that I have to remove 5x because from here you are added. Okay, I will write it equation, better understanding. Here initially 5 is to 3, initially 5 is to 3. Now you are added 5x boys, 7x girls, then the ratio will be 7 is to 5 and total will be 1200. From that I can find out 700 and 500. Now go reverse order. 700 finally had, I have to remove 5x boys. 500 girls finally had, if I remove 7x girls, then ratio become boys and girls will be 5 is to 3. Then x value you will find out, then subtract 700 minus 5x value. If you do that, you will get same answer. I hope you will understand this. If you solve this equation, you will get x answer, but substitute there in the place of x. This is the initial boys, this is the initial girls, then you will get answer. Fine. Next question. In a school, there were 1554 students and the ratio of the number of boys and girls is 4 is to 3. After few days, 30 girls are joined the school, but few boys are left. As a result, the ratio of the boys to girls becomes 7 is to 6. The number of boys who left the school, that I need to find out. Let's solve this question. Initially it was 1554. Okay, initially it was 1554. Okay, now I need to find out. Easily you can do it. 7 parts is equal to 1554. Then 7 2s are 7 2s are 7 2s are 2 2 means here 888 boys, 666 girls. Because 7 parts is equal to 1554. Then 1 part is equal to 7 2s are 7 2s are 7 2s are 222. Then 4 parts is equal to 888, 3 parts is equal to 666. It is the boys and girls. Now after few days 30 girls are joined. If I joined 30 girls, this becomes 696, but some boys are left. I don't know how many boys are left. As a result, the ratio becomes 7 is to 6. Now I can find out 6 parts is equal to 696, 116. Then 7 parts is equal to how much? 700 plus 6 7s are 112, 812, which means starting 888 boys, now 812 boys, which means you are removed 76. You removed 76 boys are left, 76 boys. Like that I can find out easily answer. I hope everyone understanding, and if you really like, do comment everyone if it is useful, and do subscribe and comment and like it also. A man spends his 2 months income in 3 months. A very simple statement. Fine. His monthly income is 6,000. Tell me, okay, basic method I will do it first. Normal concept. Monthly income is 6,000 means 2 months income will be 12,000 rupee. He spends in 3 months. 12,000 rupee if he spends in 3 months, every month he spends 4,000 rupee. Then it is expenditure. Then every month income minus 6,000 rupee. In the question they are given. Then every month is spent, savings will be 2,000. Like that for 1 year, what is the savings? That is the question they are given. A man spends 2 months, his monthly income is, then his annual savings will be how much? 12 2s are 24,000. Very simple question. And ratio, if you do this is the meaning that 2 months income, it is spends 3 months like this. Then income by expenditure ratio will be 3 is to 2. We know income will be 3, expenditure will be 2, savings will be 1. 3 parts is equal to 6,000, 1 part is equal to 2,000, 2 parts is equal to 4,000. No need to calculate, directly I can find out 1 part is equal to 2,000, that is the savings every month. Then I want for 12 months. This is a ratio method. This is a logic, this is a ratio. You can do this anything. Next question. The ratio of the income of 2 persons is 5 is to 3 and that of their expenditure is 9 is to 5. If they save 2,600 and 1,800, their income. the ratio will be 5 is to 3, then 3 multiple or 3 multiple, even everything is 5 multiple, I can't tell answer. You have to do basics. 5 basic method, 5x minus 2600 is the expenditure, 3x minus 1800 is the expenditure, income minus expenditure, ratio will be 9 is to 5. So if you solve this equation, you will get x answer, then you can substitute. 5 5 is 25, 9 3 is 27, 2x is the difference. 26 into 5, 13,000, 18 into 9, 162, 16,200. 13,000 and 16,200, 3,200 is the difference. Then 1x is equal to 1600, then 5x is equal to 8,000, 3x is equal to 4,800. This is one way. If you don't want to do like this, verification method, option by option, but all options verification is again difficult. Instead of that, you can do this also better. Okay, better. I hope everyone understand this concept. So we will meet again. Next few questions I will take, then again we will meet in next. Thank you, keep watching, and don't forget to comment if this class is useful for you.